Thanks for logging on to myfoxhurricane.com. Well, there's a couple of areas that we are watching. First one is just an area of disturbed weather that's working its way on towards the west. And really over the past several hours, we're seeing a lot of the activity with that starting to diminish a bit. This one really doesn't have a big chance, about a 10% chance over the next 7 days. As it continues to work its way on towards the west, it's going to be dealing with some of this dry air, and then it looks like eventually some wind shear will start to play a part in maybe its demise as we head towards the weekend. Another area that we're watching that is working its way off the coast of Africa. Here is a closer view. And beginning part of the loop, you can see a lot of convection with this. You get that big flare up. This will be working its way off the coastline, and models are more excited about this one here. Now, it's going to work its way on into the waters probably by late tonight into tomorrow. And in the short term, conditions look favorable that we could see some development. There is some dry air sitting just to the north of this, but then as time goes on, it looks like things will start to be a bit more problematic for this system. So watch how all this kind of plays out over the next several days on the Fox model. We've got these two areas. Well, here's one there. There's the second one. And this one here, you can already see is struggling. This is by the time we get into Thursday, late Thursday afternoon. You've got another wave working its way off the coastline, but we're focusing in on this area here. You've got that dry air to the north of it. But other than that, conditions are favorable. We've got moderate to light wind shear, but then as we head towards the weekend and it continues to work its way further on to the north, it starts to work its way into an area where that wind shear is increasing. So that may end up being a big issue for this system as we go into the weekend and into the first part of next week. If anything were to happen with this, it obviously has plenty of time to watch this because it is so far out into the Atlantic. So we will continue to watch these and we will keep you updated right here on myfoxhurricane.com.